Kicking off our countdown at number 5 is Finland. Did you know that Finland has one of the best education systems in the world? This commitment to education extends to English proficiency, making it a great destination for English-speaking travelers to explore its stunning natural beauty. Did you know that Finland is home to the midnight sun and the northern lights? This natural phenomenon makes Finland a unique destination for travelers seeking stunning natural beauty. Next up at number 4 is Norway, a country known for its stunning fjords and untouched landscapes. Norway is also home to the Nobel Peace Prize, awarded in Oslo every year, highlighting its commitment to peace and diplomacy. English is widely spoken here, particularly among the younger generation and in the tourism industry. Visitors will find that most Norwegians speak English fluently, making it very easy to communicate and explore this beautiful country. At number 3, we have Denmark, known for its charming cities and rich history. Denmark is also home to the oldest monarchy in the world, with a history that dates back over 1,000 years. Denmark is also famous for its delicious pastries, so be sure to pick up some while you're there. English is widely spoken here, especially in urban areas such as Copenhagen. You shouldn't have any problems communicating in this beautiful country. Taking the second spot is Sweden, renowned for its beautiful landscapes and progressive cities. Sweden is also known for its commitment to sustainability with a strong focus on renewable energy and environmental conservation. Sweden is also home to the world-famous furniture giant IKEA, known for its affordable and stylish home furnishings. Visitors will find it easy to communicate and get around here, and you shouldn't have any problems with any language barrier. And finally, claiming the top spot at number 1 is the Netherlands. Did you know that the Netherlands is one of the flattest countries in the world? This unique geography has shaped the Dutch landscape and culture, making it a fascinating destination to explore. Because it's so flat, the Netherlands is one of the most bike-friendly countries in the world. With many dedicated bike lanes, biking is a popular mode of transportation for locals and tourists alike. English is widely spoken here, especially in major cities like Amsterdam and Rotterdam, so I'm sure that you'll love everything that this country has to offer. Thank you for joining us on this countdown of the top 5 European countries where English is commonly spoken. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel adventures, and until next time, happy travels!